In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Microsoft Outlook email account. Fast 2025 guide. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Microsoft Outlook. From the official Microsoft site, head to the Outlook Sign In page. On that page, look for the option that says Create a free account and click it. If you're shown a sign-in screen first, choose sign in with a different account so you can access the new account setup. Then select Create an account to begin. You'll be asked to enter the email address you want to use. Type a unique address you'll remember. If the one you choose is taken, try a small variation, like adding a word or a number that makes sense to you. When you're happy with it, click Next. Create a secure password for your new account. Aim for a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using personal details that are easy to guess, and consider saving it in a trusted password manager so you don't lose access. Click Next to continue. Choose your country or region from the list. This helps set proper locale and service availability. Then select your month and day of birth and enter your birth year. Providing accurate information here helps with account recovery and security. Click Next when you're done. Now add your name. Enter your first name and then your last name exactly as you want it to appear on emails. This is the name recipients will see in their inbox. Click Next to proceed. To verify that you're human, you'll see a quick check. Follow the prompt on screen, press and hold the button, keep it held for a moment, and wait for the verification to complete. It should take just a few seconds. You might then see a prompt to set up a passkey. If you don't want to do that right now, click Skip for now. You can always set this up later from your account security settings if you prefer passwordless sign-in. That's it. Your new Outlook mailbox will open on the home page. From here, you can compose your first email, explore your inbox, and customize settings like your signature, theme, and notification preferences. If you're brand new to Outlook, take a moment to familiarize yourself with folders like Inbox, Drafts, Sent, and Junk, and use the search bar at the top to quickly find messages. Remember to keep your recovery information up to date in your account settings so you can easily recover access if needed. You've successfully created a Microsoft Outlook email account quickly and confidently. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new inbox.